Hello student, welcome to my channel My Audio Classes. We will discuss about the chapter 2 Chemistry class 9. What is a substances? Anything that cannot be broken into further particles by applying any physical process is called a substance. Matter can be classified into two types of substances: pure substances and mixtures. What is a pure substance? A substance that consists of only one type of particle is called a pure substance. For example, diamond, salt, sulphur, and tin. What is a mixture? When we combine different substances into each other, a mixture is formed. For example, lemonade is a mixture of three substances: lemon, juice, sugar, and water. Which of these is a mixture or a pure substances? Water, copper, chocolate, cake, hydrogen, soil, air. Mixture: chocolate, cake, soil, air. Pure substances: water, copper, hydrogen. Types of mixtures. There are two categories of mixtures: homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures. When we add sugar, water, and lemon juice together, they all uniformly mix with each other. Now, it is not possible to separate the substances from the mixture. Such mixtures in which the components mix with each other uniformly are called homogeneous mixture. The ratio of compositions of homogeneous mixtures can be different. For example, one may add 2 spoons of sugar in lemonade, while someone else may add only 1 spoon of sugar in their lemonade. Still, lemonade is a homogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixtures. The components in a heterogeneous mixtures do not completely dissolve in each other, and we can separate them by physical means. In other words, the composition of such mixtures is not uniform. Homogeneous mixtures. When we add sugar, water, and lemon juice together, they all uniformly mix with each other. Now it is not possible to separate these substances from the mixture. Such mixtures in which the components mix with each other uniformly are called homogeneous mixture. What is a solution? A solution is nothing but a uniform mixture of two or more substances. Homogeneous mixtures are solutions. Liquid into a liquid, water and ink, solid into solids, alloys gas into gas, air solid into a liquid, sugar and water, solid into gas, hydrogen and metals, liquid into gas, carbon dioxide and water. What is an alloy? An alloy is a mixture of different metals or nonmetals and metals that cannot be separated from each other using physical methods. For example, brass, copper with up to 50% zinc, and bronze, copper with up to 12% tin. Solution consists of two types of substances, a solute and a solvent. Solution equal to solute plus solvent. Solvent, the substances in which another substance is mixed, is called the solvent. For example, water is a solvent in which we can mix different substances such as salt or sugar. Physical and chemical changes. The nature of the substances, the particles that makes up it, and the quantity of particles all stay unaltered after a physical change. Chemical changes results in new substances, compounds with different properties from the original ones, as well as new particles are new. Solutions and their properties. Anything dissolved in a solution is referred to as a solute. In a fluid solution, the amount of solvent always outweighs the amounts of solute. Two of the most prevalent solute in our daily lives are salt and water. Examples of solute include sugar, dissolves carbon dioxide, oxygen, and water vapor. Solvent refers to the component of a solution that is most prevalent. It is the fluid in which the solute has been dissolved. Typically, a solvent is a liquid. The Latin term solvent, which means to loosen or untie, is the source of the English word solvent. Its properties are too tiny and have a diameter less than 1 nanometer. The particles are not visible to naked eyes. Particles do not scatter a beam of light passing through it and hence do not show the Tyndall effect. The solid particles never settle down on keeping undisturbed the components of the solution. Alloys. Alloys are homogeneous mixtures of metals or a mixture of a metal and another elements that cannot be separated into their components by physical methods. Concentration of solutions. The amount of solute that has dissolved in a specific amount of solvent or solution is measured as solution concentration. A concentrated solution is one that has a significant amount of dissolved solute solvent in it. Solubility. Unsaturated solutions, on the other hand, are those that contain less solute than the maximum that can be dissolved. A saturated solution is one that contains the maximum quantity of solute that can be dissolved. Types of solution based on the concentration of the solution. A solution based on the definition. Dilute solution is a solution that contains a little amount of solute. Concentrated solution is a solution that contains a lot of solute. Three types of solutions exist based on the concentration of the solution. Dilute, concentrated. Suspension and properties. A suspension is a heterogeneous mixture in which the solute particles do not dissolve but remain suspended throughout the bulk of medium. Colloids. A colloidal solution is a mixture in which the substances are regularly suspended in a fluid. Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect is the scattering of light by particles in a colloid or else particles is a very fine suspension. Thanks for watching and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.